In this drawing, sunlight gives light to the tree. The tree gives off O2 to the llama, and the llama gives off CO2 to the tree. The xylem transports H2O up the tree branch, and the phloem transports a sugar called sucrose throughout the branches. Inside the chloroplast, there's an inner and outer membrane, stroma, granum, and thylakoid. The chloroplast is also where the light and dark reactions happen. In the light-dependent reaction, which takes place in the thylakoid membrane, sunlight splits the H2O molecule into O2, which then turns into ATP. In the light-independent reaction, which takes place in the stroma, the ATP makes sugar molecules called glyceryl triphosphate. In the stoma, CO2 enters and O2 and H2O exits. Guard cells are in charge of opening and closing the stoma. In the llama, the respiratory system allows O2 to enter the bloodstream and CO2 to exit through the alveoli and lungs. In the digestive system, the small intestine contains finger-like villi that take sugar from digested food into the bloodstream. The circulatory system allows blood to move around the llama through blood vessels. In the mitochondria, there's an inner and outer membrane, matrix, and cristae. The mitochondria is where cellular respiration occurs. The first step is glycolysis, where glucose is split in half with 2 ATP molecules. Each half of the glucose has 1 pyruvate, which then makes net 2 ATP. Then comes the Krebs cycle. The 2 pyruvate molecules go through the cycle and create 6 CO2 molecules. After that, the electron transport chain puts most of the hydrogen molecules on one side and uses O2 molecules to create about 30 to 32 ATP and 6 H2O molecules. Plants can live without animals, but animals definitely cannot live without plants.